Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Carla, and in today's video we are going to dive into how you can become a member of Navy Federal Credit Union and maximize the great benefit they offer. If you are curious about the eligibility criteria or wondering how to navigate their application process, stick around for the detailed guide. Navy Federal Credit Union is the largest credit union in the United States, offering banking services specifically catered to military members, veterans, and their families. Let's go over the eligibility requirements, application process, and some useful tips to help you successfully join. To become a member of Navy Federal, you or an immediate family member must meet one of the following criteria. The first one is being an active duty military. These include members of the Army, Navy, Marines, Air Force, and Coast Guard. Second, veterans and retirees. Those who have served or retired for any branch of the armed force, you are eligible to. Next one is Department of Defense employees. It doesn't matter if he's a civilian working directly for the Department of Defense, you are also eligible. Immediate families member. Family members of someone who meets the above criteria, you also are eligible. Let me give you a little bit more details about these family members criteria. So to get in simply through family correlation, the relative must be direct family member, meaning straight up and down your family tree. Uncles and cousins do not qualify for you to claim. Yes, obviously they are family, but they are not direct. They are considering distant family members, so it's not the same. But there is hope. Stick around, I will explain. So if my uncle is in the military, as his niece, cannot I cannot get in through him because I am a distant family member. However, take a look at this. Because my uncle is my mom's brother, she can get in through him, and same line I can get in through her. So if you see the pattern, you just have to think about this like a game. So you just have there is always a possibility that you can find some connection. You just have to play around to see how you can make it work. This is legal, so don't be afraid of doing this to engineer this way, because the example that I just gave you is completely legal. My uncle, my mom, and I. And if you see, I cannot use a straightforward my uncle getting through my uncle, but if we can do it the right way, which is my mom's can get in through my uncle and I can get in through my mom. You see that? So this is different ways that you can get in. So just think ahead, find the best way, and just continue with the process. So let me explain this to you. I have been talking about family members, direct family members. So what it counts as direct family member include parents, grandparents, spouses, siblings, children, included adopted or stepchildren, grandchildren, and household member. All of these are included in the red member. The red family. So if that's the case, you can get into Navy Federal without any issues. House member is a household member. So what this means basically is, if even if you are not blood related or family per se, you can, and you live in the same household, that person that is in the military can get you in. However, to do it legally, you truly need to prove that you are living together, meaning you're probably going to need their access code, their social security number, and the address. You need to have their address or use the same address. So the best option in this case is like you have the same address on your ID, or maybe on a utility bills, or both. The thing is, like, if the representative asks you for some more proof, you can provide different ways. That way they believe or they prove that you are a household member. The best way to do this, I will say, is over the phone. However, it doesn't matter if they request proof. It doesn't matter if it's in a branch or by the phone, or if you do it through the website, they will request it no matter what. So just be aware that if you do want to do this route, when you select the household member, that this is the how you are connected, you better have some proof. Now let's talk about the application process itself. The step number one is documentation. You will need to provide a proof of eligibility and some basic identification, like your social security number and some government issue ID. The step number two is the application. You can apply online through the Navy Federal website, or visiting a branch, or even on the phone. You will be asked to fill out a personal information, provide your eligibility documentation, and possibly undergo soft credit pull. Number three is account setup. So once you are approved, set up your checking or savings account as your primary account. Then explore the various credit cards and loans products, because they have many products that are amazing. So just check them out to see which one you're gonna go for next. If you are finding this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share your experience or question in the comments below regarding Navy Federal, and we will engage over there. I would love to hear from you. And be sure to join my free VIP group that I host in the school group for exclusive tips and discussion about finance and everything related to money. I will leave the link in the description box below. Now, if you encounter some issues during your application, like being denied membership or credit products, here is a simple reinsertion dispute letter template that help you, or that you can use to address any errors or discrepancy. So this is how it goes. Here, Navy Federal Membership Department. I recently applied for membership and I was denied based on whatever reason they gave or provide to you. However, I believe this is due to incorrect information on my application. Please find attached supporting documentation proving my eligibility. I kindly request that you review my application for approval. Thank you for your prompt attention to this matter. Sincerely, your name. With this, basically, you are letting them know that you are sure that you can get in and everything is legal, everything, you have everything set up. And if you can prove it, they will let you in. So they can revise your application manually and see if you check all of the boxes, and then you will be approved. Now, let's discuss some pros and cons of joining Navy Federal. On the positive side, their loans and credit products are amazing. They come with excellent interest rate and high credit limits. Also, their 24/7 customer service is exceptional, and they offer a wide range of financial products that you can use. So check it out, go through the website and check their products and see which one suits you better at this moment. On the other hand, because Navy Federal serves a specific membership base, their branches are limited geographically. Additionally, if you don't have a military affiliation yourself, you will need to rely on a eligible family member. So basically, those are the two main cons that I can find. Is like they don't have enough branches, like traditional bank institutions. And the next one is basically that not everybody can be a member. Overall, advantages clearly outweigh the cons, and Navy Federal Credit Union remains an excellent option for those who qualify. That wraps up our guide on getting into Navy Federal Credit Union. Thank you for watching. If you are eligible and seeking quality banking services, Navy Federal Credit Union is definitely worth to consider. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and join my free VIP group for more insight. Stay proactive with your financial journey, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.